Buenos dias, y'all. I just wanted to give you an extra explanation about the stem changing verbs. And the reason why is because it could be a little troublemakers for you, these type of verbs. So it's going to be a quick, fast and furious, and painless. On this left side, izquierda, you have a regular conjugation of an AR verb. And as a reminder, conjugation means to drop the ending of the verb, and this part is called the stem, and switch this AR ending from the infinitive, this is called infinitive. We drop the ending AR, and then we have to match every subject pronoun with the corresponding ending. So you have yo amo, tú amas, él ama, nosotros amamos, and ellos aman. It's a regular conjugation of AR verb, ER verb, and IR verb. So you all know this part so far. What happens when you face these stem changing verbs in Spanish? First of all, don't panic about these changes, because you will always find this extra information for you to help you understand that this vowel here will change from E to IE, or O will go from O to UE. It will all depend on what the verb requires. So this is something that unless you are studying to try to speak fluently in Spanish, you have to do at least 3 hours of practice every day. So the principle is that these verbs will have a change inside the stem part, but in the nosotros. If you look right here, nosotros doesn't have any change, but it just follows the regular pattern of the conjugation. Okay? So, step 1 will be making sure that you make the modification inside the stem part according to what is required. And step número 2 is just to complete a regular conjugation depending on the ending of the verb. You can see here, and as well is a ER, so your endings are these ones right here. One more time, the rule calls for nosotros does not have any change in the stem part. There are several set of groups of these stem changing verbs, and the idea, this is how I see it, the idea is that you will try to recognize them, and especially these are mostly used or mostly found when you talk about verbs that deal with your daily routine. Okay, so this is what these verbs are, and I hope that this quick information can clarify any possible doubts that you may have. Also, before I leave, you will find, for example, verbs that will have a repeated vowel. For example, Z in the verb, I'm going to type it right here if I can quickly. The verb empezar is the same category, but as you see, you have 2 E's right here. So which E is the one that you have to switch? This E or this E? It's very easy to answer. Is this the one? Because this is the one closer to the ending of the verb. So when you look at the end of the verb and then you have a repeated vowel, find for this one closer to the ending, and that's the one that you have to change. Alright, y'all. Any questions, any doubts? Just let me know. Send me a quick email. Have a wonderful day, y'all. Keep working. Adios.